Deciding whether to invest in a home security system is all about balancing the cost, risk, and peace of mind. In some areas, a home has a 25% chance of being burglarized in any given year, with an average loss of over $1,700. Your risk will depend a lot on your home, your geography, and other factors that only you can evaluate. And it's not just about burglary. All of the brands we recommend also keep you and your home safe by integrating smoke, carbon monoxide, and flood detection into their systems. When people opt not to get a security system, the number one reason is cost. But while it's true that some high-end security systems can be really pricey, there are many effective budget options available. The cost of home security actually varies quite a bit, so there is a system out there to fit your budget. And it may even save you some money in the long run, not just by deterring burglary, but because many home insurance providers actually give you a discount for homes with a security system installed. It should come as no surprise that at Safewise.com, we recommend that you install a security system in your home. And we're here to help you find the right one. Check out our best home security systems review to find the right system for you and your budget.